All right, y'all know I get straight into it, okay? But welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to make some easy, simple barbecue chicken wings. And you can season it however you want. So to your washed and cleaned wings, okay, you want to add the spices you prefer. These are the spices I'll be using. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box, as well as how you can support this channel, be it, suggestions or recipe requests or whatever it may be. So now I'm going to mix everything up. This is a lot of wings, by the way. I got this big old pack of wings from H-E-B. It's like 12 or 14 wings here. And I'm just going to season it and set it to the side so it can just marinate for maybe 30 to 45 minutes. It doesn't need long at all. They're wings, And then this is what it looks like. And I'll show you guys how I make the sauce. These are all the ingredients you'll need for the sauce. I love making barbecue sauce. I think I've made this one more than a few times. I can make it with my eyes closed, and it is what it is. If you're an OG subscriber, you probably made this sauce before. But to my little skillet, I'm going to add brown sugar, some ketchup, some of this gouchujang hot Swiss. Okay, y'all know I love my Swiss. Y'all, I have all kinds of Swisses in my house. Then I'm also going to add some red wine vinegar. You can use a vinegar that you have in your house. I just prefer red wine vinegar for this particular recipe. Some mustard, some thyme leaves, and some apple juice and butter. Now, again, you can add whatever you want, but this is a foolproof barbecue sauce. It's so good. Now, if you're into that, you want to sell something at a market or something, make this barbecue sauce and sell it. You got a restaurant? Go ahead and make it. Okay, period. Because I ain't got a restaurant, child, and I don't plan on having one, I don't think. And yeah, so now I'm going to put the wings on my pan. I'm going to put it in a whopping 400-degree oven until they're nice and crisp on the outside. Just keeping it simple. Like I said, I'm a pretty busy mom, and life has been busy. So I don't have time to babysit, do this, that, and the third. Just pop it in the oven 400 till it's like this. And then you're going to spread the sauce all over. So all you're going to do is take the sauce and put it all over. Now, I don't even know why I thought this little brush was going to be helping me put the sauce all over, child. Eventually, what I did was just pick the pot up and pour it all over everywhere. You could also do this in a bowl before you pop it back in the oven. You don't even have to pop it back in the oven. The sauce is already cooked. It's good to go if you're in a rush. More of a rush than I am. Y'all, in the nighttime, I don't even get to eat dinner until like 8, 9 o'clock at night because my little pumpkin is just so demanding. But these are the wings. Look how beautiful they are. Like, they're super delicious, beautiful. You know what's in your sauce. There's no crazy ingredients in there. You made it for yourself. Yes, that's a paper plate. Who gonna judge me? Who gonna come take my paper plate? What's going on? Yeah, who coming to? But yeah, this is how it looks. And I hope you guys give it a try. It was just delicious. And I hope someone make it. If you do, tag me. Let me know what you think. Now look at this wing. Look at this wing. Look how tender. Like, look how tender. Yeah, I didn't sauce the underside, but that's okay. You still get the point. You still get the flavor. Okay, so moving on, I'm gonna make these lemon bars. It's semi-homemade, of course. You guys know I'm not the best baker, but even though I'm not the best baker, I know how to doctor something up from a box. Okay, so instead of just making what's in the box, I'm gonna make like a cream cheese lemon bar. So I'm gonna make a cream cheese filling, which is cream cheese, egg, sugar, vanilla, just a super basic. And you're gonna mix that up like I'm doing here, and this is gonna be like an extra filling into the pre-made stuff, and it's just for extra pop. It's optional, you don't have to do it. So then I'm also gonna add some lemon zest down in here to take it home. You already know if you buy the box stuff. And to be honest, y'all, if I knew this box stuff had this many steps, I would have just made it from scratch, because it took the same kind of energy and time. To be honest with you, I didn't know the crust was like an actual, like, from scratch made crust. And so, but I still made it work, and I kept it moving. So once that's done, I mix it up and I set it to the side, and then I'm gonna move on to the lemon mixture. All right, so onto the lemon mixture. I'm just gonna put it into the bowl like this and add, I'm just following the directions on the back, you guys. There's nothing extra special to it. I'm just showing you what's on the back of the box. And so once I add everything together, I'm gonna mix it up, and then I'm going to show you guys the rest of the steps. This was actually really good. It was a little on the sweet side for me, but it was actually really, really good. So if you like sweet treats, this is for you. Okay. Now for the crust, y'all. So the crust, you're going to pour that in a bowl as well as some melted butter. And it's going to get into a crumbled consistency like you would make it from scratch. This is how it looks right here. As I'm mixing it, it just crumbles up by itself. Now you're going to put it in a pan, press it down. That's your crust. Pop it in the oven for, I believe it was 12 minutes. I had it in the oven until it was brown around the edges and good to go. I just used a spoon and pat it down. No big deal. And now I'm going to add the cream cheese filling first because it's going to bake up over top, which is super cool. You'll see that in the end. Okay, like I said, and you're just going to put it all over the crust. You have to bake the crust first. That's the direction on the box. That's what I did. Next, I'm going to add the lemon mixture all over the top of that, and then I'm going to pop it into the oven, and you're going to bake this off for about 35 minutes, and it just smells so good, you guys. Next time, I'll probably make this thing from scratch because it took just about the same amount of time and energy to make it, so yeah. All right, so this is how it looks right here out the oven. You have to let it cool. I'm also gonna pop it in the refrigerator for a couple hours so it could be nice and chilled and easier to slice into. This is a lemon bar. You know how that goes. You have to let it chill. This is how it looks. And my family already got up in there, child. But like I said, it's really good. It's tart, it's sweet, it's delicious, and I hope you give it a try. So thanks you guys for tuning in to my video. I love you for your support, and I'll catch you on my next recipe. Bye.